Umpisahan na natin ang dobling tensyon at saya kasama ang mga protege ni na Mentor Gina and Mentor Julina, Arnie Ross, and Zandra Summer.
Masaya po kasi in the past weeks, nagkakaintindihan na kami ni Arnie.
Sobrang naging excited po ako kasi ang kulit-kulit niya.
Oy!
Lord, oy. Sinabi niyang, I love touching boys' body.
Biniro ko siya kasi alam ko hindi niya kaya yun. Nung nag-rehearse nga kami, pinuntahan kami na yung mentor ni Arnie, si Direk Gina.
Galit po kayo sa akin.
Hindi ako galit sa'yo. I'm disappointed. Hindi lahat papatulan mo.
Sorry po talaga, Nay.
Okay na yan. Wala nang problema.
Okay nang naman sila, they support us. Tapos, yeah, they're happy with our performance. Tonight po, makikita nyo na magiging seductive ako, tapos sexy yun.
First time ko pong gagawin yung ganito ka-sexing sayaw, kaya gagawin ko po yung best ko para mag-ibang Arnie naman, mas hot and sexy.
Underneath the city lights, there is a world few know about, where rules don't apply, no, and you can't keep a good girl down. Looking for a good time, gonna make that shake that money on a dime. Don't be a sugar daddy, she can work it just fine. Up on the table, she'll be dancing all night. Baby, now just come alive. Under the spotlight, all the girls wanna fall in line. We say, here come the ladies, about to give a little show. Here go the ones that gonna show a little more. Get it up, get it up. Okay, girls, let's show them how it's done. It ain't over till we say, and we've only just begun. Let me hear you say,
Kanina malamig sa studio, nag-iba yung temperatura. Judge Cherie, sino po ba sa kanilang dalawang tingin mong posibleng mapasama sa bottom group natin ngayong gabi?
Sa bottom group, I doubt if any of the two will be in the bottom group. I think that both of them are very talented in dance. You can really see that Arnie's strong talent is in dancing from the first week. Sandra, you're amazing. You've grown so much. Nakikita mo rin ang kaibahan sa edad. Arnie, how old are you? 21 po. And Sandra?
18 po.
18. So you can see that there's a bit of an experience in terms of maturity in Arnie's movements and sensuality. The dance, obviously burlesque, expects sensuality. And I think she did it very well. As far as Sandra's concerned, I enjoyed her youthfulness. There was wholesomeness in that limitation of being sensual. Obviously, she still is a baby. Nakikita ko pa yung kanyang innocence in her movements. But in spite of that limitation, you gave your effort and you just need to be a little bit more sure of yourself from here on. You're very expressive. So I think you both did very well. I have nothing to say.
Ayan po, na-appreciate ni Judge Cherie ang performances niyo pareho. Congratulations. Kaya kung sa tingin niyo dapat pang manatili sa laban si Arnie at Sandra, text Protege space, name of Protege, and send to 2344 and 367. Yan. Ang susunod na duo,